Okay, so for my presentation, I interviewed my aunt Leah. Her son, my cousin, Logan, has this condition called Dactyly, kind of a lengthy word. So a little bit about Logan. He is 6 years old. He was born with this condition. He's had a total of 7 surgeries, and 3 of those surgeries were before he was 1 year old. What is this? It is a condition in which the fingers are not formed properly. It's a very rare condition. It occurs in about 1 in every 32,000 births. It's caused by bones in the hands not forming correctly, and that's likely caused by lack of blood flow to the tissue. It's not inherited, but it is linked to some genetic syndromes. In the picture on the right over here, you can see that the right hand of the child is normal, like my hands or your hands. Then the hand on the left looks pretty much like my cousin's. He has this in both of his hands, and one of them looks very similar to that one. The other one, his fingers are more close together, kind of like he can't open them. So most of his surgeries have been for that specifically, just to give him mobility and function in them so he can move them. Some questions that I asked my aunt were, is there a cure for this? She said that just surgeries to improve the mobility and function, like I was just talking about. How effective have the surgeries been? She said that they're fairly effective, but he does still not have full function since he's missing some fingers. They weren't all just connected. I asked her how it has affected his home life, and she said that they're all very supportive of him at home, so his home life is as normal as it can get. I asked her how it affected his school life, just because he is at that school age. She said that from what she knows, his teachers are understanding and supportive, and his classmates don't bully him for it because they've known that that's just how he is. And I asked her how it affected her life in particular. She said it's been hard because she has to watch and remind him that he can't do everything that other people or children can do. I also asked her, are most people understanding about his condition? And she said yes, they can see that he still tries his best at everything that he does. Everyone seems to appreciate the effort that he puts in. Some of the quotes that my aunt had said was that he has enough happiness for all of us. Another one was that there's never a dull moment with him, and both of those, I can definitely agree with her on those. You can really tell at family gatherings. The last one, she said, I wouldn't change anything about him. He is perfect the way he is, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Kind of a story that she told me was how Logan and his younger brother play Star Wars, and it kind of makes them both feel like they're invincible, and that Logan kind of forgets about his condition. Like, it makes him feel kind of like a normal kid for a little bit, and that was really fun to hear. So overall, I learned that even though my cousin has this condition, that doesn't stop him from being the best person that he can be.